Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I really do appreciate you all. Today we are making ripe mashed plantain. Okay, and this recipe is appetizing. It's so full of nutrients, and I hope you like it. In my local dialect, we call it a to, and we make it in various forms. Some do it with only ripe plantain, some do it with both ripe and unripe plantain or the green plantain, and some also do it only with the green plantain. Today we are making it with the ripe plantain. So you can also call it kokoto. First of all, you make your saucepan ready on the cooker. As you've already seen it, on my cooker is set and I have some water in there. So all I'm doing is to just peel off the skin of the ripe plantain and then put them in the saucepan and allow it to boil. But I'll add some veggies, okay? And let's wait and see which veggies I'm going to use for this recipe. You cut them nicely. Don't scrape the skin off, okay? Because you are not making NPC. Don't scrape the skin off. With a top or mashed plantain, we don't scrape the skin of the plantain. We just leave it like that. My plantain is big. The size is huge. It's not usual. That means my mashed plantain or eto is going to be plenty. So guys, when all is ready, just bring your plates, come to my house. I'll give you the address and let's party. Let's party. It looks so simple and it looks so easy to make, but when care is not taken and it becomes lumpy, you will not enjoy it. I don't enjoy lumpy at all. Okay, I don't enjoy lumpy at all. Guys, now it's all set, but we're going to add one more. That one is not that right. It will help make a bit of a difference to the texture. It's not going to be too sticky when it's ready and we are mashing it. I hope you get it. So far, if you are enjoying my video, please give me a thumbs up, recommend the channel to friends and families, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you are new on this channel. Okay, because on this channel we make a lot of appetizing recipes, make delicious recipes, and you never regret ever joining this family. Finally, we are done and it's time to get on the cooker. I've washed them nicely and they are going straight into the saucepan. So now we leave it for it to cook. I'm adding some pepper. I'm adding 3 scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also adding some green peas, which is going to replace the kwantusua that we use in Ghana or the nsusua that we use in Ghana. So it's just a substitute. I'm going to poke some holes in it so that it doesn't explode, and also it will get some water in there for it to cook well. Adding some 2 eggs because I love me some eggs when I'm eating or making some eto. It's all done and it's time for it to cook. In about 5-10 minutes, it should be ready. Now let's check it out. And it's ready. So we're going to mash it like this. Okay, this is the first one. Make sure you do it so well in order not to get lumpy at all, as I said earlier. So I learned that whenever you are making a tour, you crush the plantain in its hot state. Don't let it go cold, or else your eto will be lumpy, and even if it's not lumpy, the job will be harder for you. So make sure that all the time when you're making eto, you take the plantain out in its hot state into the earthenware, and then you crush it. And make sure you crush it like this. You crush it to its bones, you press it down, and you are on your way to getting a perfect eto or lumpyless eto or mashed plantain. This time round, I refuse to make lumpy mashed plantain or eto. And the plantain here, guys, the mashed plantain is still hot. So I'm going to transfer all of it into this beautiful washed and clean bowl and allow it to cool down. And then we continue from there. The way this mashed plantain is sweet, I'm sure babies in their 10 months, 11, 12 months going will love it. You just put some in their hands and then you leave them to feed on it. They'll enjoy. They'll enjoy. It's so sweet and I'm loving it so far. It is so good. So now we blended our pepper and our shallot. We are also adding some green peas. In Ghana, you can use your corn susua or your susua. The susua is also small like this and it's very sour, but it's very good for curing fever. We are adding some tilapia, our roasted salted tilapia, which is going to help enhance the taste and the flavor of our mashed plantain or eto. Yes, I'm loving it so far, and I cannot wait, guys. We all know what Kobe can do to our food. The flavor alone is everything. Yes, I'm adding some scallions. Mm-hmm. Let's not forget our peanut butter. Again, more flavor. We are adding more flavor to the eto, and guys, as I always say, it's heaven right here in my home. I've added a bit of salt to taste, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. We are almost there, and my mouth is already watery. Like, I cannot wait. It's too much. The paste is too much, so I'm setting some aside to use later. Now I'm putting in my mashed plantain and I'm going to combine them well together. You can combine them by using your hand, your clean hand, or the crusher or the grinder. Anyhow you call it. Let me know the exact name for this, okay? The eta. How do you call it in English? Comment down below, guys. So I'm using my hand. It's already washed and cleaned. And yeah, guys. Ooh. Wow. I'm loving it so far, and I hope you're enjoying it too. Hope you're enjoying it too. There is no lump. It's not lumpy. I've done my best, guys. I've done my best. Again, we are adding some green peas. And you can add some peanut, the roasted peanut. We are also adding some scallions, and instead of the peanut today, I'm adding some carrots. I think it's healthier this way because I've already added peanut butter or groundnut paste, so there's no point using the peanut, the roasted peanut. It's healthier to use carrots or any other veggie that you prefer. With the palm oil, it's optional. Some don't like the palm oil, so they just eat it like that, and some also add palm oil. So I've added palm oil, but this is how I liked it. You can as well combine the palm oil together with the eto or the mashed rye plantain. I'm adding my eggs to garnish it. Yes. So far, guys, how do you rate it? So out of 10, how do you rate it? 1 to 10, how do you rate it? I'm adding my avocado, and the avocado is not good, guys. So I got this bit. Can you see that? I got that bit. It wasn't good on the inside. And I'm adding my Kobe. Guys, this is it. We are done. Where are your plates? It's tasting time. Where are your plates? Counting 1 to 5. If you're not here, then I'll eat all by myself. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are you? Okay, then I'm going to eat all by myself. Okay, make sure you try this recipe at home and bring me the feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, recommend this channel to friends and families, comment, share, and if you are new on this channel and you enjoy my videos so far, subscribe for more appetizing recipes. Okay, by clicking on the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Now I'm adding some of the paste that I took on the side. Guys, this is how I love to enjoy my eto. The same way I cannot enjoy my jollof rice or fried rice without my black pepper sauce or shito on the side. So guys, this is also my chicken pie that will be hitting your screen very soon on my channel. The recipe is amazing, and I'm sure you don't want to miss that. So subscribe for more recipes. Again, this is also my wachi that I made without using the wachi leaves. Guys, you don't want to miss this recipe too. It's so nutritious and it's so healthy. Going forward, this is what I've been using so far in my house, and I am loving it. Take and stay, and don't miss out on these amazing recipes. Thanks for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye all. Mwah.